Every health conscious people wants to know about balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Are we taking balanced diet? Is it necessary to have a balanced diet? In today's video, we will be discussing about balanced diet. So let's begin. Most of the people thinks that balanced diet means having a breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince and dinner like a beggar. But this is not actually a balanced diet. This is actually a controlled diet. Before knowing about balanced diet, let us first see about the nutritions. The first nutrition that we should know about is carbohydrates, which we get from rice, potato, sweets, etc. Fat is the second nutrition, which we get from oil, ghee or from some nuts. Protein is the third and the important one, which we get from pulses, milk, egg and non-veg. Vitamins and minerals are also essential nutritions which we get from fresh fruits and vegetables. Water is not a nutrition, but it is very important in our balanced diet, and we should have at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. In Indian family, carbohydrates and fats are taken in a very high quantity, whereas protein, vitamins and minerals and water are taken in a very low quantity. As a result, it is seen that most of the people are gaining weight and the number of obesity in our country are increasing. Obesity is growing worse around the world. As you can see, since 1918 it has been increasing, and this data is till 2015. By 2020 this data has become more worse. Most of the modern diseases or lifestyle diseases are result due to obesity, or we can say due to imbalanced diet. The number of lifestyle diseases are increasing. So what is the solution? A balanced diet is the solution, which should contain carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals at a particular quantity. Carbohydrates we mainly get from rice, chapatis, breads or potato, and they provide us calorie or energy. So 100 gram of rice contains 28 gram of carbohydrates, 6-inch roti contains 15 gram of carbohydrates, 1 bread contains 6 gram of carbohydrates, 250 ml of milk contains 12 gram of carbohydrates, fruits contains less than 10 gram of carbohydrates except banana has more carbohydrates, pulses contain 10 to 20 gram of carbohydrates. So how much carbohydrates actually we need daily? If you need around 2000 kilocalorie daily, then 225 gram to 325 gram of carbohydrates is needed. So calculate your carbohydrates wisely. Fats is one of the important nutrition which is ignored by people, because most of the people think that fats will make us gain weight. But fat is important for our skin and hair. Most of the vitamins are absorbed by fats like vitamin A, D, E and K, and also they are known as fat soluble vitamin. Fat also fills our fat cells and insulate our body to keep ourselves warm. So 100 gram of cooking oil contains 100 gram of fats, 100 gram of butter contains 81 gram of fats, 100 gram of ghee contains 99 gram of fats, cheese contains 26 gram of fats, 1 cup of milk contains 2.4 gram of fats, 100 gram of nuts contains around 50 gram of fats, 100 gram of fish contains 10 gram of fats, and 1 egg contains 5 gram of fats. This amount are actually approx amount. It may vary, so do check before consuming any of the food items. So the question is again same, how much do we need daily? If you need around 2000 kilocalorie daily, then 44 gram to 78 gram of fats is needed. So do calculate your fat requirement wisely. Protein is the third important nutrition which we need to build the tissues, or we can say that most of the cells are formed by protein. Protein helps us for healthy hair, skin and nails, and it also helps in producing blood. It helps in building muscles. It helps in making our brain and nerves work properly. For cellular messengers, that is for sending messages from one part of the body to the brain, protein helps in sending these cellular messengers properly. Enzymes are formed in our body with the help of protein. Antibodies Hormones are also formed with the help of protein. Immune system is made stronger with the help of protein, and also cellular repair work is done with protein. People who goes to gym, they know that how important is protein for muscle building and for repairing all the cell that has been broken while exercise. Now, amount of protein in 100 gram of chicken is 31 gram. In 1 egg, it contains 6 gram of protein. In 1 bowl of dal contains 6 gram of protein. 100 gram of soya bean contains 36 gram of protein. 1 glass of milk contains 4 gram of protein. 100 gram of rice contains 2.36 gram of protein. 1 roti contains 3 gram of protein. 100 gram of beans contain 21 gram of protein, and 100 gram of nuts contain 20 gram of protein. So chicken, beans, soybean or nuts, they are considered as a very good source of protein. Now the same question again, how much protein do we need? If we weight around 60 kilo, then you will need 60 gram of protein daily. People who goes to gym, they know that if their weight is 60, then they will need around 60 into 1.5 kilo of protein, so which will be around 90 gram of protein if they work out very heavily. So do calculate your protein requirement very wisely. Vitamins and minerals helps our body to grow, and there are total 13 vitamins. Vitamins and mineral helps to resist infection. They helps to make our nerves healthy. They provides us energy, but it is better that we get energy from carbohydrates and fats rather than protein or vitamins and mineral, because protein, vitamin and mineral are important for our other functions of our body. Vitamins and minerals also helps in blood clots. Iodine and fluoride are the minerals which are required in very less amount, but calcium, magnesium and potassium are required in large amount. So if we want vitamins properly, we should have a very good diet. Some extra tip: don't skip your meals, especially don't skip your breakfast, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Its name itself says breaking the fast. That is when when we have our dinner, that is at night around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Next food we have in the morning around 6 o'clock or maybe 7 o'clock. So there is a very huge gap between our dinner and breakfast. That's why our breakfast should be very heavy and it should be healthy. Try to include more fibers in your breakfast. Drink plenty of water whole day, at least 2 liter, 3 liter, or if possible at least drink 4 liters of water daily. And if you are outside, if you have to work outside, carry a water bottle with you. Different color of salad should be included in your meal, whether it is lunch or dinner. You should include salad in lunch and dinner. Different colors like beet, carrot, tomato or cucumber you can include. Different color will represent like different number of or lots of vitamins and minerals. Lastly, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family member if you find this information valuable. And lastly, thanks for watching this video.